Hello everyone, my name is Karan Singh and I just finished building a new application. I'm calling it the Live Lead Tracking System. Now, before we dive into the application itself, let's see who can benefit from it. I think there can be multiple use cases. Suppose you are a pizza store owner and you want to see in real time where all your delivery drivers are at the moment. Then rather than calling each one of your drivers and asking them where they are, you can rather see their location in real time on the map itself. Or maybe you are the owner of a transportation business in a small country and you only have two or three vehicles and you don't want to spend a lot of money on buying expensive GPS technology. Then you can also use this application instead to track your drivers in real time. Or suppose you own a small cleaning company and you want to see whether your employees are with your clients at the moment or whether they are running late for work or anything like that, then you can also use this application to track their location. Now let's talk about the features of this application. So this application uses a login system for both the managers and the associates. So suppose you are a driver, you will have your own unique email and password combination that you will use to log in into the application. And only the managers can see your location, and the managers will have their own unique email and password. This ensures that nobody else can see your location other than your assigned manager. And the location updates every 3 seconds. So if you're driving down the road, your manager will be able to see your location updates every 3 seconds on the map. So it is real time. This application can also run on any device, whether you have an Apple iPhone or you are using an Android phone, it doesn't matter. This application is cross-platform, meaning it can run on any device. So now let's see what the application actually looks like. So we'll be using this Android emulator to represent our driver's mobile phone, and our manager will be using this web application to see all the driver's locations. So let's start by logging in as the manager and see what it looks like. So as you can see, this displays the entire world map. And because right now no drivers are online and nobody is sharing their location, so we don't really see anything on the map itself. But let's change that. Let me log in as driver number one and see what it looks like on the map. So immediately after I log in, my location sharing automatically turns on. And immediately I'll see driver one pop up on the map because driver one just logged in and his location is active. So if I click on it, it will take me to my live location because I am logged in as driver one. So right now I'm sitting in a public library. So you can see my real-time location on the map. And it even tells you when was the last time this location was updated. So it is 10:48 a.m. right now, and the location is updating every few seconds. So this is real-time location. And in order to test it even further, I'll send one of my friends to drive down the road and I'll make him log in as driver two so we can see what the location looks like when somebody is actually driving down the road. So the time right now is 3:42 p.m. I'm still sitting in that library. As you can see, my location is still being updated every few seconds. And I was finally able to convince one of my friends to help me out with this project, and he right now is logged in as driver number two. As you can see, driver number two button just appeared over here. So if I click on it, it will take me to his real-time location. And as he is moving through the city, we can see his location changing and updating every few seconds. And there is no limit to how many drivers we can add into this application. We can add as many as we like, and we will be able to see all of them on the map in real time. So let's discuss what else can we do with this application. I think the possibilities are limitless because we can customize it in any way we want. Suppose suppose you have or suppose you want me to build you a custom application for your cleaning business. And that application will be used for assigning customers or shifts to your employees. So your employees can log in using their own version of the application and they will see which client has been assigned to them along with the location of that client, and we can integrate this location sharing application within the shift assigning application. So you can see in real time whether your employees are with your clients at the moment or not. Also, we can customize this application in any way we want. As we know, the GPS is very battery intensive. So you might be in an industry where you don't want to see location updates every 3 seconds. We can also change it to every 2 minutes or every 5 minutes. So that will help you preserve your battery. And it will also be much cheaper because your location is not being shared every few seconds. So you're not consuming that many online resources. Also, keep in mind that this application will keep running in the background, even if the driver closes the application. Unless he manually clicks the stop location sharing button, it will keep sharing the driver's location. And suppose you want me to build you a feature where the location sharing automatically stops after every 2 hours or every 8 hours. Regardless of whether the driver manually stops it or not, we can also build that feature into the application. So if there is any application that you want me to build for your business, it doesn't even have to be a GPS related application. It could be literally anything. I specialize in building custom applications. You can also check out other videos on my YouTube channel, or you can visit my portfolio. I will copy the link in the description of this video.